And at the start out of this, number one is the disappointment that people on that side of the house would turn around and say the people on this side of the house are far right, far left. I'm a father. I've been heckled. Excuse me, I didn't interrupt you, so have the courtesy to shut your mouth and listen to somebody. That's as much as it comes to. Now, I'm going to put something on the record very clear for you now. As well, Conor Sheehan, that talked about Limerick and put them down. I'm going to talk to you as a parent. And I'm going to talk to you if you may listen. But you don't want to listen.
Deputies.
Chair.
Deputies, respect
and I'm
the
going to talk
House,
to these
please.
people.
Respect the House. Correct.
Now, just respect. That's what I'm asking, and it's the one word I've written down here for you today is respect. I've been heckled in this house, saying that I'm anti-gay, anti-this. No, excuse me. Again, you can't be quiet and listen to somebody else's opinion, called respect. Now, I've been heckled in this house on more than one occasion that from my religion, from being over here, that you're far right. I'm going to put something very clear to you. I'm a parent. I'm a grandparent. I have a son that's gay. None of you ever came on and said, oh, gee, Richard, we didn't know that. You don't know me, but you make assumptions about people. The one thing I do for anyone that's up in the gallery or not, whether I agree with it or not, I will respect and help you to every bit that I can. I will respect people and help them. That's my duty of care as a politician. People then saying that one of our party made an assumption. That's his opinion. It doesn't have to be mine. I have my opinion, and I'm here to help anyone that is in whatever situation they're in, regardless whether I agree with it or not. This is what I'm talking about. Anyone in this country deserves health care, regardless. End of story. Everyone, regardless of your circumstances, regardless of what, you deserve health care. And this is what the motion is about. And that's what it's about. The motion is about caring, giving health care to people, regardless of what it is about. Thank you.